Hi, Scott doing at Marinemax in Louisville, Texas. And we're going to take a look at a very well optioned HARRIS Solstice. All right, so this has the chestnut brown interior with the white trim, arguably one of our most popular colors for this season. So for cup holders on each side, anywhere you see a mouse hole cut out on this boat, you'll see a double USB port. So there'll be a double USB here, another one up here. There'll be another set in the middle, another set in the very back, another set at the helm. So enough power to power up all of your electronics and keep them all charged. This one was ordered with a double bimini top, so this bimini will extend back over top of the tower. Instead of the regular tower, this one was ordered with the ion tower that you usually only see on Grand Mariner, so definitely a big upgrade over the standard Ultra tower. Elevated helm, 9-inch Simrad screen. Because this boat does have a 350 horsepower V10 outboard on the back of it, from Mercury, it is going to have a fully digital throttle, Mercury active trim, which is automatic tilt and trim built into your binnacle control. So raised helm. There will be a rear view mirror that will mount on here, which is really nice. SL floor plan. So most popular floor plan. This has the ability to flip like this to be a rear facing lounge, or you can also remove this cushion and put it down flat. I'll go ahead and show you. So that'll go down flat to make one big sun pad, and then back here this can come up and become a kickstand, so you can use this as a forward facing chase, which is how my kids like to use the boat. Built-in cooler underneath your back seat. Another stereo remote control back here. Again, double USB port. There's also a secondary stereo remote control down here on the floor that you can gain access to if you step up here on the submersible swim seat. That way you can change the radio while people are swimming around the back of the boat. And again, 350 horsepower V10 outboard on the back of it, so this boat will absolutely get it. So if you got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.